evening, and I want to say good night, okay, to all students, okay, all learner of mathematics altogether. So tonight I'm really happy, okay, to show you about the lesson, okay, in university, okay, that we study at university, okay, especially for students of mathematics, okay, that study in OUPP, like my junior, okay, and the student, okay, that study at ITC, okay, that we call Salatino in Khmer. So it is really helpful, okay. This video is really helpful for all learner, for all mathematics learner. That's today my topic today is talking about special random variable, okay. So the special random variable is the lesson part of the subject's probability theory, okay, probability theory, okay, that prepared by me, okay. For all learner in university, okay, they can join with me, okay, they can discuss the problem with me that related with statistics, okay. So here we call about the subject that we talking about statistical and probability, okay, but it means that statistical theory, okay. So please look at our exercise. So I choose exercise number 4 to present to all of you. So exercise number 4, we let h1 h2 to go up to hn, okay. We yes, we let h1 h2 blah 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 until hn. So this variable, it is or we can say that they are a random sample, okay, from a distribution with probability mass function. So this exercise they give you the form of probability mass function of this random variable, okay. So h1 h2 blah 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 hn, so they are a random sample, okay, from a distribution that we know that the probability mass function f of h theta is equal to p power h times 1 minus p power 1 minus h if h equal to 0 and 1. So the value of h is bounded between 0 and 1, okay, and then it's equal to 0, it means that otherwise, okay. In Khmer many times saying pini, okay. So go on please. So where you know already, right, p it is a parameter. So if the value of parameter is bigger than 0 but less bigger than 0 but smaller or equal to half is a parameter, okay. So p we call is a parameter. So the hypothesis, okay, you have to know that the hypothesis HA such that p equal to half or 1 over 2 to be tested against hash 0 or hash 0 denoted by p less than half, okay. So if h0 is rejected, so when the sigma e from 1 to 20 of he is less than or equal to 6, then what is the probability of type 1 error, okay. So we know already that the event HA and the event H0 we call that against, okay, they against to each other, has 0 and H0 and HA, okay. So now we have to the question is what is the probability of type 1 error if we know that H0 is rejected, okay, when this sum, okay. So you have to calculate the probability of type 1 error, everyone, okay. So here is the answer for exercise number 4, okay. So as you can see, we have h1 blah 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 till ends, okay, it is the that we call that no, let me sing h1 blah 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 hn, okay, Bernoulli, okay, we can say that we use Bernoulli distribution. So Bernoulli of the part of the p, okay, p it means that parameter, okay, parameter p, okay, where p it's bigger than 0 and less than half, okay. So and the hypothesis h0 it's again with ha. So h0 if you want you find 1/2, right, and ha we denote by p bigger than 1/2, okay, and then we denote by or, okay, or, so it's equal to the n component, okay, h1 h2 until hn. So this hn's component, okay, that we call that n's component นั่นคือ mean n composite such that, okay, the sum e from 1 to 20 of he is less than or equal to such, okay, everyone. Oh, sorry. Okay, then the probability of type 1 error is given by alpha, okay, alpha be any number, okay. So alpha is equal to the probability of type 1's error, so it is equal to the probability that you reject h0 and okay, that we reject h0, and then you have to write h0 is true, okay. So you know already, okay, when you want to find the value of alpha, so it is the probability of type 1 error. It means that it's equal to the probability of rejects a0 and then a0 is true, okay. Okay, so now we go on. Yeah, so now we go on. So alpha it's equal to the probability of type 1 error, okay, so it equal to this. Okay, so now you have to calculate the summation, okay, so p times 20, okay, of he less than or equal to 6. Since, okay, since we know that h is a random variable, okay, that has the value of p, okay, the value of p at the at the Bernoulli distribution, okay, that it has the parameter p, okay, so p is equal to 1/2 1/2. So then the summation is from 1 to 20 of he, so it's similar to the binomial, okay, distribution that has the parameter 20 and the y-intercept, okay, on half, okay, everyone. So you have to instead, or you have to replace the number in our group, okay. So okay, so we get, everyone, so we get the sum e from 1 to infinity of okay, of so you know already, right, about the formula of Bernoulli distribution. So it's equal to it is the linear combination, right, between 20 and k, and this one you write as a binomial distribution, okay, p power k times 1 minus p power 20 dot k. So this problem you have to use the calculator, okay, to calculate. So we cannot calculate by using handwriting, okay, we cannot. But about the vector we already how about anything else, okay, that we cannot do, okay, by yourself. So you have to use the calculator to evaluate, okay. okay, this problem, okay. So my answer is equal to 0.058, okay. Okay, so this exercise, I think that it is really important for students in university, okay, that's talking about the statistic, okay. You know already, right? Here, okay. Oh, but yeah. So you have to know that when you write this one, you have to improve your ability before midterm examination, okay. Okay, so my lesson slide is already finished now. If I have more video, I will upload into my YouTube again. Yes, goodbye everyone. Thank you.